It's 4 a.m. in the morning. And where are we going, bro?
Himachal.
Yes. Dharamshala to be specific. Don't get crazy ideas.
We're just going to unwind.
Yeah, we're going to unwind. We're going to Dharamshala, Amritsar. We're landing at Amritsar, and then we're going to Dharamshala, and then we're going to Dalhousie. So we're very excited. This plan was made
2 days in advance.
by Ria. Yeah. So we're very excited, and let's go. Let's go.
Guys.
I'm very excited. We're at the airport, and yeah, can't wait to reach Amritsar. So I'm finally in the flight. Ria ji seat today she's sitting ahead because we didn't get the same seats. But at the same time, I am waiting for everyone to like settle down so that if there are 2 seats left, I'll sit with her next to her. And we've also got like some breakfast. Yeah, we wanted to eat KFC, but we already started boarding. Like the flight already started boarding, so didn't get KFC. We picked up like a few sandwiches, and yeah, I'm gonna eat that. Excited to go to Amritsar. And the rasta hai, right, the highway that like leads into Himachal. I love that road, so I'm very excited to go. Excited.
Very.
So we're finally in Amritsar. Ria, how do you feel?
I feel good.
Yes, I
The
can't
sun
believe.
hits different here.
Yeah, I can't believe we made the plan 2 days ago and that we're finally here right now. And we're gonna wait for a taxi. आणि मग आम्ही directly जातो आहे धर्मशालाला. So very excited. Ria, what do you think about this chai?
I think it's absolutely exquisite, as you can see.
It's got like foam or something on the top.
Yeah. And it's garnished with something that we don't know. We'll ask the
Almonds.
almonds.
It's not chai, it's chai tea latte.
Chai tea latte.
I'm excited. So we just got to the hotel 5 minutes ago, checked in, and Ria's in the room, but I came outside just so that I could give you all like a little tour of the hotel. And yeah, खूप सुंदर property. It's very beautiful. It's very cute. Ria literally feels like she's living her childhood dream. So I'll show it to you real quick.
Oh, okay. It's nearby.
The reading room. This is like the common area to chill in. It's so beautiful. I'm so grateful to be here. Wow. That is where we're gonna be having breakfast tomorrow, and this is like the living area. I'm out of words. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And I low-key feel a little bad because I'm walking with like my shoes on. But I'll show you the room now. I'll show you our room. I'm coming in. Okay, Ria's missing. It's so beautiful. And this is our little balcony. It's attached to our room. How are you feeling?
Different.
Beautiful, na bro?
Too good.
ऐसा लगता नहीं है we are in India.
It's like we're in the ocean. With green tea and incense. And a lounge chair, which is surprisingly comfortable.
It feels more like Tibet and
Yeah,
less
it is.
like Himachal. You're just tripping on that painting, right?
Yeah. And I'm sober as fuck. I haven't even had a sip of my green tea, which contains little caffeine. But that's a separate story.
Bro, we'll eat all the possible street food, right?
Could you put little more pepper?
Arya, your stomach had an issue, right? So we're at this Korean, Thai, Japanese mixed restaurant. It's called Kalsang and it's in McLeodganj. And we're having early dinner. And Ria's having this amazing tea and it smells so good. And peach tea. And I don't usually drink all this, but it's amazing. I'll show it to you in a bit. Look at the crossovers. So after breakfast, we decided to come back to the room and I pulled out some tarot cards. And these are the cards that came out. And they're both very good cards, so I'm very excited. And also we're going to Dharam Court today. So we're finally ready. We had lunch in the room and now we're going out. We're going to Dal Lake and then we're going to Dharam Court. Apparently there's a techno party there, so we might go check it out. So we are stuck in traffic. Parat traffic मध्ये अटकलोय. Riya was telling me earlier today, she's at the back there, that Himachal is overwhelmed with tourists and there are actually बहुत सारे tourists. There are many tourists out here. Look at them. So even yesterday we were stuck in a place that we could have passed in like 5 minutes for an hour. From 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. we were stuck. But yeah, we gotta do it. We've come this far, so we're only gonna keep going. So we got off the car and decided to walk because there is insane traffic.
Yeah.
But the view is good from here. And that's the traffic. So after traveling for 2 hours, changing 2 modes of transport, we finally reached this cafe. And it's literally in the middle of nowhere. But it looks cool. The small bridge. So we're back in the room. We went to EDM hostel and had dinner there, and then we walked around a little bit. And it was the only place which was open till a little late, and by late I mean 11. So we woke up early and this is my breakfast. This is the view. And today is our last day here. So we're gonna go and explore McLeodganj. Out for lunch. So we're out for lunch. We just stepped out after breakfast, and there's a lot of traffic. We're at this restaurant which serves only Tibetan food. Very excited because it's our last day in McLeodganj. So we're gonna go to Dharamshala, which is very close, and then tomorrow we're leaving for Dalhousie. So we're taking the ropeway from McLeodganj to Dharamshala because there's a lot of traffic on the way. So it's the fastest way. It takes 12 minutes. 12 minutes में हमें पहुंचना है धर्मशाला में. So right now we're on our way back to McLeodganj because we reached Dharamshala and it was very hot and the taxi people were not cooperative. So we decided to go back, and also Himachal is pretty crowded right now, and like to get from point A to point B, it's very difficult, at least 2 hours. So we took the easier option and the fastest one, which is the ropeway, to get back to McLeodganj. Ria's feeling hot. I'm not gonna trouble her. So today was very chaotic. आता 8 वाजले, it's 8 in the evening, and yeah, we're staying in tonight. Tonight is our last night in McLeodganj, and yeah, we've ordered some lavender tea because Ria says that it's gonna help me calm down. I'm PMSing actually, and yeah, had a heart-to-heart conversation, cried a lot, but yeah. So we're in this living area of the hotel and it's very beautiful. Let me show it to you. I want a house like this. I just love it so much. And the roof is actually transparent. It's very nice. And this is Ria sitting.
Hi.
Yeah. So our dinner has come. Are you liking it?
Loving it. Basil, chili, fried potato. Then this is Manchurian.
No, that's not Manchurian.
It is
It's something
good.
similar to Manchurian, but yeah, it's a Tibetan dish, which is, I think, a Tibetan version of Manchurian, bro. I think.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and this is satay chicken. I expected it to be on those skewers. What is it? It's the sticks, but it's like this. But we will eat it. Love this place. So this is my breakfast in McLeodganj, and it's actually healthy. This is everything that I eat every day: omelette, cheese omelette, eggs, coffee. The only thing that is different is the watermelon juice and all this because it's freshly baked. And yeah, last day in McLeodganj, and we're leaving for Dalhousie soon, and that is the Dalai Lama temple, if I'm not wrong, over there. You know, because it's so crowded, we actually haven't gotten a chance to go out, because to go anywhere, it's super crowded. You reach the place, it's super crowded. So I just guess it was bad timing, but regardless, we've had a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm hoping that Dalhousie isn't as crowded as McLeodganj, but yeah, let's see. So we finally reached Dalhousie. I'll show you all the hotel. It's very pretty, and I think it's going to rain. I love Himachal. So the last time I was in Dalhousie was when I was in school. So I'm very excited to be back. So we just got into the room at Dalhousie, and it's about to rain. Also, I feel like I've been to this hotel before, like on a school trip. I'm talking softly because Ria's sleeping. But yeah, the weather's beautiful and can't wait to get out of the hotel and explore soon. So it finally stopped raining and we're sitting right next to the window and we called for some amazing food. Snacks, you could call it. And we're eating that while looking at the view. right now in the Dalhousie market and it's very nice and pretty, but it's also very windy. I think it's gonna rain, but I'll quickly show you the market. So I entered the market area and it started raining very heavily. So I left from there and I asked the driver bhaiya if he could come back, but he was somewhere else and the road was entirely jammed. So I decided to walk, and yeah, I got lost and yeah, I took shelter. Then I again started walking because yeah, obviously I didn't carry an umbrella or any plastic bag to keep my phones in. But yeah, walking now and the rains have stopped. But Dalhousie is very small. There's nothing much to do. इकडे जास्त काही नाही करायला. So yeah, walking towards the hotel now. You guys from the bathroom because my best friend is actually sleeping outside. She's not well. Yeah, I went so day one of Dalhousie, I went to the market. I got lost. It started raining. I tried finding my way back. I got lost again. Then the driver came and helped me. Like, he came walking and he showed me the correct way. And then came back, sorted my best friend's medicines out. I really hope she gets well soon because what will I do alone, you know? So yeah, hoping ki ती लवकर ठीक होऊन जाईल. Just hoping that she gets well soon. And I got this. My hand hurts. And I got this news that my building might go under redevelopment, which means that we have around 6 months to move out. And I don't know how I feel about that, mainly because this house really reminds me of my father, because my father made this house, right? He made it, everything was him. And losing his room not being his room, like even when my mom shifts something from here to there in his room, I'm like, why did you do this, why did you do that? So it makes me feel a little sad because I really associate that room and that house with him. So I don't know how I'm going to deal with it. I also don't know which society in Bombay is going to accept a family of 3 with like 8 or 9 beds. And I also don't know what's going to happen to the stray cats, like 3-4 of them that come into my house, chill in my house, eat in my house. I don't know what we're going to do about that. But yeah, I'm gonna take off whatever concealer and lipstick I have on my face and go to sleep and pray to God that my best friend feels better tomorrow so that we can go out and hang out, because I know that even she wants to chill but her health is not cooperating. So yeah, let's see. Dalhousie day 2, also our last day in Dalhousie. Let's see, I hope it goes well. So good night and see you guys tomorrow. So woke up and came down for breakfast. So we had breakfast and now we are going to Khajiar, which is in Dalhousie. Bhaji, sahi bola na maine Khajiar? Khajiar, yeah, we're going to Khajiar. And then let's see, it's our last day in Himachal today. And tomorrow we're heading to Amritsar and we're going to spend a day there. And then day after we're going back to Bombay. So we're right now at Khajiar. It's called Mini Switzerland. I'll just show you the place. So I'm currently in Khajiar and it's a little hot, but the location is very beautiful. It's also called Mini Switzerland of India. And yeah, we're getting lunch, but the view is very beautiful. I'll show it to you guys. Also, it's our last day in Dalhousie and obviously, Himachal. So yeah, very excited to go to Amritsar tomorrow and see the Golden Temple. I hope we get the time to go because Thursday morning we have an early morning flight. So I hope Amritsar will be good. This is our lunch. So we just got done with lunch and now we're at Khajjar. There's not much you can do here, but yeah, just seeing the place. So I've just woken up and I've come to the Dalhousie market and it's a very cute dog there. But yeah, feeling a bit sick. But since it's our last day, I'm gonna go and explore the market a little bit more. Like I've come to the other side of the market and yeah, I'm gonna explore it now. So we've just reached the hotel in Amritsar. I didn't vlog in the morning or last night because I felt sick, but very excited to be in Amritsar. I hope we can deal with the climate here because where we were earlier it was quite cold and now it's a little humid. But yeah, let's see. We're mostly going to the Golden Temple right now in some time. So yeah, second time there. Very excited to be in Amritsar. So we finally got into the room. It's very comfortable. I feel like I'm in Mumbai. We're out here for lunch. So we're here in the hotel for lunch. Dessert. I know I made a mess. So I had lunch, rested for a bit, and now we're going to the Golden Temple. I'm very excited. The last time I went to the Golden Temple was when I was in school. So yeah, ready to explore Amritsar. I'm just wearing very casual clothes because it was raining outside some time ago. Got back into the room from the Golden Temple. It took us 2 hours to get to the main place, and yeah, we had to stand in the queue for 2 hours to get proper darshan, but at the end it was all worth it. And I got lassi from there, like not from the temple but like next to it. It was really nice. It's been a great trip so far, and tomorrow is the last day. I mean, today is the last day, and tomorrow we're leaving. And tomorrow we're leaving. We have a 8 a.m. flight. I'll be in Mumbai by 11, hopefully. So yeah, Himachal, Punjab have always been amazing, and I had a great time. I hope you guys like this vlog, and yeah, that's it. This is my healthy dinner.
अच्छा लेके जाते हैं क्या पैसेंजर्स?
So we're finally at the Amritsar airport and we're leaving for Mumbai. finally at the airport, and the turbulence is insane, but I feel really happy being back in Mumbai and looking forward to our next trip.